History remembers empires, but often forgets the souls who bled for freedom. Today, on One World News, I bring you the story of a warrior whose courage echoed through the hills of Meghalaya, yet remains absent from our textbooks. This is the story of Yukyang Nangba, the Lion of the Jantia Hills. In the early 19th century, when the British Empire tightened its grip over India, the remote Jantia Hills were not silent spectators. They had a voice, and that voice belonged to Yukyang Nangba. A humble tribal leader, born among the Jantia people, Yukyang Nangba was not raised in palaces or trained in royal courts. He was raised by the land, by its rivers, by its ancestors, and by an unbreakable belief that freedom is sacred. When the British imposed heavy taxes and tried to crush the traditional way of life, the Jantia people rose in anger. And leading them was a man armed not with wealth, but with fearless resolve. Yukyang Nangba united the tribes, challenged colonial authority, and launched a rebellion that shook the British administration in the northeast. For the empire, he became a threat. For his people, he became a symbol. But empires do not forgive rebellion. In 1833, Yukyang Nangba was captured. What followed was not justice. It was a warning. He was publicly executed. His body was dismembered. His remains were displayed, not to end a rebellion, but to spread fear. Yet, fear never won. Because legends do not die with bodies. They live in memory. They live in resistance. They live in the soul they protected. The Jantia Hills still whisper his name. A name that reminds us that freedom in India was not won by a few, but by countless forgotten heroes whose stories remain untold. Yukyang Nangba did not wear a crown, yet his courage ruled hearts. On One World News, we remember him not as a footnote in history, but as a flame that refused to be extinguished. Because a nation that forgets its warriors risks forgetting its soul. I am Apurva, and this was History and Forgotten Legends only on One World News.